So I see this all the time where people generally tend to prioritize the same 2 to 3 sources of protein each week. And generally, when people tend to think about protein, they picture chicken, eggs, scoop of protein powder, for example. These are really good quality sources of protein, but relying on one or two isn't going to do you any favors in the long run, basically, especially if you're training for performance, that sort of stuff. Protein is made up of amino acids. Think of these as kind of little workers within your body. They're going to help your body recover, build muscle. They're going to keep your hormones and your enzymes functioning properly as well. There are 20 in total, and out of these 29 are essential, which basically means that your body can't make them. So you have to get them from food. Animal sources of protein, chicken, fish, eggs, dairy, and we're going to include soy and tofu in this, are what we call complete protein. So they have all 9 essential amino acids, along with the other 11. But plant-based protein options like beans, lentils, grains, they are not complete. So they're not going to have the full range. So if you're eating less animal protein or complete proteins, you need to mix your variety up even more to get a full range of amino acids, because that's what the body needs for proper recovery, that sort of thing. Even when you do eat complete proteins, variation is still going to be key. Foods all have different makeups of amino acids, so you want variety to get a good range of each of the amino acids, essentially. Limiting your protein source is also going to limit intake of other nutrients. So think of things like omega-3s, fiber, vitamins and minerals. And to be honest, variety keeps food interesting, which makes it more sustainable in the long term for both us and also for the planet. So different foods, different nutrients, and a hell of a lot of enjoyment from the food that you're going to be eating. I hope that helps.